Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about causatives, have and get. Before we kick off, I would like to greet all of you. Amid this coronavirus outbreak, everyone is staying home. So I thought it would be nice making English grammar lesson. So causatives, a new lesson implemented in baccalaureate course in Mauritania. So have and get. So there are four forms of causatives. So have something done, get something done, have someone do, and get someone do. So first let's kick off with the definition. So we use a causative verb when we want to talk about something that someone else did for us or for another person. It means that the subject caused the action to happen but didn't do it themselves. Maybe they paid or asked or persuaded the other person to do it. For example, we can say, I cleaned my house. This means I cleaned it myself. If I paid someone to clean it, of course, I can say a cleaner cleaned my house. But another way is to use a causative construction. So a causative construction says also, I had my house. In a sense, using a causative verb is similar to using a passive. The important thing is that the house is now clean. You don't focus on who did the cleaning. Have plus object plus past participle, have something done. We usually use have something done when we are talking about paying someone to do something for us. It's often used for services. The form is subject plus have plus object plus past participle. I had my car washed. John will have his house painted. So I, subject, had is the past of have. My car is the object plus past participle. The verb wash is washed. So get, I had my car plus object plus past participle. Get something done. So we can also use subject plus get plus object plus past participle. This has the same meaning as have, but less formal. Okay, get plus object plus past participle. Get something done. We can also use subject plus get plus object plus past participle. This has the same meaning as have, but it's less formal. The students get their essays checked. I will get my hair cut next week. He got his washing machine fixed. So these are the examples. Have someone do something. So have plus person plus infinitive. So we can also use the construction subject plus have plus person plus infinitive. This has a very similar meaning to have something done, which we have already talked about. But this time we say who did the thing. We talk about the person who we asked to do the thing for us. So I had the electrician look at my broken leg. So the doctor will have the nurse call the patient. The teacher had the students write the answers on the whiteboard. So this is have plus person plus infinitive. Have someone do something for us. And the last here is get someone to do something. Which is the same thing. Have someone to do something. It is less formal. Always get is less formal than have. So finally, we can also use the construction get plus someone plus to plus infinitive. Again, this means that you cause the other person to do the action. Maybe by paying them to do it, or by asking them to do it, or by persuading them to do it. So she gets her son to do his homework by promising him ice cream when she's finished. I got the cleaner clean under the cupboards, for example. So yeah, sometimes this construction has the feeling. So which construction? Get plus person plus infinitive. Get someone do something for you. So sometimes this construction has the feeling that we needed to convince someone to do something, while the other construction, the last construction is that we need it. We really need it. I need someone to paint my car. But while other constructions get something done, have someone do something, and have something done, other construction on this video are neutral. Okay, so let me explain it a bit in Polar Hassaniya. So this lesson Kinan Gulu will have and get lesson jidid medio programme bac. Donc c'est facile. On utilise généralement c'est jidi neɗɗo waɗa men hunde fami walla hunde nde ko neɗɗo waɗa men neɗɗo en joɓatmo noon walla sehilma waɗanma walla puntama waɗanma no wawi waɗande fof utilise forme o ko ɗum fitte anglais. Donc sa utilise ɗum ƴetta ko verbe have fami walla get fami have walla get waɗi tan ko formuji nayyi. Have something done woni keɓa hunde mbaɗanɗa ɗum fami have plus something done fami woni have my car painted or have my door fixed. A jogui hunde woni objet ƴetta have ɓeyda hen mbaɗa hen participe passé verbe o fami verbe ko no waɗi ni fami to ko wuppa mbiya had my car washed, had my boots washed for example. Okay, have a get fo nandi ɗon fami have a get ga ɗon ko gotum mais get ɓuuri wonde informel seeɗa. Okay, aɗa wawi wide kadi have someone do ƴetta neɗɗo waɗanma hunde have my have an electrician fix something pewno courant gadda ɗum gal mon fewnama mbiya I had an electrician blah blah blah. Okay, donc kadi kañum get ko gotum get someone do. Donc ko ɗum tan firti mi weeɓi son ƴeewi less mbeɗa waɗi tan pdf goto ne explique vidéo fof kadi mon ɓeydo famde inchallah d'accord d'autres lesson jamais hope yeji abonnade par ce que les abonnement ne walla amen no feewi taw kadi vidéo ji mon banna amen thumbs up like. Okay, bye bye and see you next week.